Hello, class 3 students. Now there are only few holidays are remained, and till if we have not get opportunity to go any hill station or any village or any other place, so we can think about it. But think, if we want to go abroad, what do we need? Yes, we need money, then passport and guide to travel. Okay, and some things which we are required in our traveling. Okay, good. Then if we have money and we want to go America, can we use our money in America? No. And if I say yes, we can use our money, but how? We have to change our value of money in their value of currencies. How we can purchase the things out of our country? We must have their currency. They do not accept our notes and coins. Currency is money that is used in particular country. Every country has its own currency. Look at the pictures of some currencies of the world and write the correct answer in the given blanks. You may use the help box. This is our lesson number 32, word currencies. Around the world we are looking here. Now see here, number 1 is given. This is 500 rupees note, and where you haven't seen this note, in which country we can see this currency? In India. And what do we say this currency? What type of currency is this? Rupee, right? This is rupee. Then see second one. Second one is dollar. Name of this currency is dollar. So you have to write here in column A, you have to write name of currency. The name of currency is dollar. You have to write here dollar. And their country, B column is country. You have to write the name of country. Where the dollar is used? In USA. Then third one is, and this is, name of currency is euro and used in European country. So what we have to do? We have to write here euro, and here in the column of country you have to write European countries. Next one is number 4. We are going to see here. This is number 4, and name of currency is ruble. Name of currency is ruble, and name of country you have to write here Russia. Currency ruble and country Russia. And then number 5 you will see here. The name of currency is real. Name of currency is real, and name of country is Saudi Arabia. Name of country is Saudi Arabia. Here you have to write real, and here you have to write Saudi Arabia. The next one is number 6 is, name of currency is yuan, and this is in China. Name of currency is yuan, and this is in China. So we have seen 6 types of currencies here. For 6 countries we have been seen, and there are in help box all spellings are given there. You can find out the spellings and you can put that on correct place. And there is, do you know question? US dollar and British pound are easily convertible at the international market. This is more knowledge for you. Okay, now you used to study this currency, name of currencies, find out any other currencies are available are there in the world, and collect the pictures of different types of currencies. This is your homework. You have to collect the pictures of different type of currencies. You can buy the duplicate of this, or you can draw also this pictures of currencies. Okay, you can take photograph also of these currencies and keep in your album. Okay, learn currencies, read currencies, and collect currencies. Bye, see you.